Looking for a highly equipped family vehicle with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2023 Chrysler Pacifica Touring L in granite crystal metallic. With bifunction LED projector headlamps, front LED fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and rear cross path detection, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 77,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, power sliding doors, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com. Stock number D8047.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.